Alright, for those of you that wanted a bike check, here it is. I have Duo Bohan grips, Kink wolf bars, profile push stem in purple, failure mainiac frame, Shadow Voltus forks in chrome, front wheel Shadow Raptor, Lace G Sport birdcage, Kink Lyra tires, profile cranks, one JCPC pedal and one Trail Mix pedal, demolition Doyle seat, stock felt seat posts, I don't care about those, tree light spline drive sprocket, KMC chain just because they don't really break that much. In the back I see hazard light rim laced to a Shadow Raptor hub, Kink light pegs, animal bottom bracket, Kink headset in black, and here all headsets are the same. So yeah, fuck all of you that wanted me to make this. It's freezing out and I'm gonna go inside now.